What's up, Tech? It's Josh here. I'm super excited about this package that came yesterday. I was at weddings all day, so I didn't have a chance to actually unbox it the day I got it. So like the techie inside of me would just like, oh, I can't wait to get home, but I know that I just got to wait till the next day. All that aside, I'm just super excited about unboxing this. This is the Pixel 5. I'm such a fan of the Pixel phones. It's been one of my favorite Android devices that has come out. I've got the Pixel 4 XL from last year. I got the Pixel 4a. Really good devices. I'm really excited about to see what the Pixel 5 has in store. This package was sent to me from Google, so I'm super excited about being part of Team Pixel. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and just get into this kind of fun stuff. Just an unboxing, and I'm gonna go over some of the stuff that I have plans for this device, maybe some videos coming up really soon as well. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So once I get all this set up, I'm definitely switching my SIM card over to the Pixel 5 because I'm just that ready to use something different. I have been, like, no judgment from the Pixel crew, but I have been using the iPhone 11 Pro Max for a while now too. I've been using both devices hand in hand. Anyways, my workflow, I can go to another video about it, but I just want to show you what the experience is like with Team Pixel here. So we got a couple notes, pretty cool. Hyperspeed helper. So that's probably what I'll try to focus on with some content coming up in the future, is like the helpful stuff from Google, but also a lot of like just the camera stuff, of course, because I super love the camera stuff. If you look over at my Instagram feed, I did some night sight photos that were just really cool. So check that out when you get a chance. And this is super exciting though. I've been wanting the Pixel Buds for so long. Okay, let's get into this. No one wants to see paperwork, right? Pixel 5, we got the green version. Pixel Buds, super excited, and I have always been a fan of the Pixel cases. Oh man, I'm excited about this. Oh, I'm thankful. Like, this week has been a good week for just being a creative entrepreneur. I'm gonna make a post about MusicBed. MusicBed, just a shout out to them, man. They've been super supportive and just a great asset for being in the creative business. I have my own creative professional business alongside this Bane tech stuff. And I'm able to, they support me. Like, it's been so cool. And then I get stuff like this in the mail, and I don't get it sometimes. Like, I get to be part of some cool stuff, and I'm just honored and blessed to be part of it. So I can't wait to try all this out. So let's go and get this all unboxed. I'm probably gonna have to go find a knife somewhere because there's some plastic on that one. All right, I'll save the best for last. Let's go ahead and get into these guys here. If you've used the Pixel Buds, let me know what you think down in the comments. Any tips or tricks, anything that you would recommend me to try with them. It would have been cool to have this like in on Friday, because one of the weddings I was part of, half the family was Hispanic, like the bride side was all Hispanic. And I know that these have like that live translation feature, so it would have been pretty cool to try that out, to have a conversation with people that speak a different language. I use AirPods all the time, so I'm really curious how these are going to compare to it. So we got our different tips to use. Now, one of the things I do like about AirPods is that I can hear the environment around me like naturally. So I'm gonna see how that experience is like compared to this. Probably don't even need to undo this USB-C cable. I have so many USB-C cables at this point. Just want to see what everything looks like. Just excited about unboxing. Looks like just normal warranty information. We got our instruction book. So it should actually connect pretty simply. Yeah, I can't wait to use these. So I'm gonna put this to the side, get to the next stuff. Probably gonna have to put in the bigger buds because I got big ears. Let's take a look at the case real quick, then we'll get to the phone. It's pretty cool. It's that cloth material. I like it a lot. Like I said, I really like the Google Pixel cases. So let's kind of give an indication of the size. Okay, let's put that to the side. Get to the main show. This is gonna be cool. I like the color. For the longest time, I always went for like white devices. That's was my preference for a long time. Now I'm just into colors. Like I want a colorful phone. Not anything gaudy, but like I love the orange. That was really cool. I also like the matte finish of that. So this actually has a different finish, but before I get to that. I know some people really like that sound, so I try to respect the sound. Anyways, this has such a cool material on the back this year. It's like an aluminum feel, but it almost has like a ceramic kind of feel to, as well. So, all right, so comparison-wise, let's put these next to each other. So size-wise, it's more comparable with the 4A, but definitely not as big as what the 4XL is like. So I think it's like a happy medium between the XL version of like last year and the regular. So I'm not against that at all. I'm not mad at that. So looking at the camera humps or the camera spaces, a little bit different layout than what we saw before. It's like actually flipped the other way this time. But the thing that I'm super thankful about is this fingerprint reader. Because of the mask situation, I'm really gonna miss the facial recognition because it was superb on the 4XL. Great experience with that. But obviously if you're wearing a mask a lot of times, it's just hard to get around that. I wish there was both, but I'm happy to have a fingerprint reader at least, because at least I can unlock the phone at all times. So let's take a small tour around the device. We've got our volume rocker and power button on the same side. I like that. I like to have nothing on the other side if possible, just be able to reach and control things from one side. We've got a microphone at the top, fingerprint reader, camera, Google logo, got our speakers and our power connection at the bottom, and our SIM card tray on this side. So something you might notice in this packaging is that there's no adapter for a headphone jack, which is fine. I use mostly Bluetooth stuff anyways, and I would say that most people are like that as well when you get to this level or this tier of devices. If you do care about a headphone jack, the Pixel 4a or the 4a 5G might be the device for you. But you do get a USB-C adapter for USB cables and also connections, USB-C to C, and your power brick. You can pause the video if you want to check out the specs on the power brick itself. All right, let's go ahead and boot this thing on up. And that should wrap up the Pixel 5 unboxing experience. All right, so now I've got to get my SIM card all situated and put the SIM card into this phone. So stay tuned for more about the Pixel 5 and my experience on this channel, on my social media sites. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.